Good evening. I'm Nanaya Piahine, and I am going to be giving a presentation on Mobileye representing future growth for Intel. Intel was established in 1968, and it has a lot of technological advancement, computing, data transportation, semiconductors, flash memory, and more. And between 2014 and 2017, Intel showed a decline in its net income profit, so they decided to switch things up, and that is when they purchased Mobileye. Mobileye was founded in 1999 in Israel, and Intel bought them for 15.3 billion in 2017. Mobileye has it designs and manufactures driver assistance and autonomous vehicle technology, and is a current leader with about 70% of worldwide sales. And some of its customers are Nissan, Hyundai, BMW, and General Motors. Also, Ford and Volkswagen. Here is a chart showing the steady quarterly revenue for Mobileye. Intel's passenger economy. Intel has coined this term for a predicted 2035, when they believe that the level 5 fully autonomous vehicles will start taking our roads and people wouldn't have to use cars. They believe this will reduce public safety by 234 billion, and also will create US 900 billion US dollars revenue for people who do not own cars. Some of the legal issues when it comes to ethics that we have to think about, I'm just going to highlight copyright infringement, and because there are a lot of companies that are doing the same thing, to include Google's Waymo. Also, we have to look at some of the stuff that affects, the technology, for instance, weather and radar. Another big issue is the safety for the autonomous level 5 cars that CEO Sashra claims the vehicles are ready, but some tests show that they haven't tested enough for them to say that the vehicles are ready. Because if you compare the tests that they've done and the tests that Google's Waymo has done, Google's Waymo has done more tests and seem to be breaking thresholds in the safety area. Some analysis. We looked at pastel analysis, and from here we can tell that I will just highlight economic. A positive growth for Mobileye will be a positive growth for Intel, and so if Mobileye should fix the safety issues with a car and start producing autonomous level 5 cars into on our roads, then we are looking at a big boost for Intel. Some SWOT analysis, we look at our strength, and with advanced technology and product and partnerships, this is there are so many partnerships with automotive companies, and this is going to boost revenue and profit. And Porter's 5 forces model, we are looking at competition, and there are several companies that are in the autonomous business. Google's Waymo is there as well, and this is where Mobileye has to be innovative to stay ahead of the curve. Recommendations: transformational leadership. When Intel bought the company, they still allowed the Mobileye, that is, they still allowed the CEO Shashwan to still take the reins, and it's been working for that. But if they are to use transformational leadership, this is going to help make the company work even greater. Some other things to think about is cultural awareness, because now Mobileye is located in Israel and Intel is from the United States, so breaking barriers, but also learning about each other's cultures, and what they value, and how they can work out their differences. Also, investment in innovation. As time goes on, there are new ideas, there are new softwares being introduced into the game, the autonomous game. So Mobileye has to step up their game and make the changes that is necessary, and also improve upon their safety, and that should put Mobileye at the number one spot for a long time to come. Once again, like I said, improving the safety testing. This is one of the things that is going to affect consumers. So Mobileye should make sure that they solve this issue and then make cars ready for production. In conclusion, Intel purchased Mobileye for 15.3 billion, and hopefully, if this, with everything that's been said, if Intel follows these recommendations with Mobileye, we are looking at 7 trillion in net profits by 2050, and Intel can reach these goals if they are willing to work with Mobileye, and Mobileye is willing to fix the safety issues and keep on being innovative. Here are my references. Thank you very much.